Thank you very much for purchasing our Voibella Beauty Pore Vacuum. This is the first video of a series of videos that I'm going to be recording for you on how to use the Pore Vacuum properly to avoid red marks, skin inflammation, among other things, to make sure that you use it appropriately and don't have any issues when using this product, and make sure that you have the results that you're expecting to get. So this is the first video. It's an unboxing video where I show you what's inside the box. Let me open it up for you. Here we have the content inside. We include an insert that has information on our Voibella Beauty Hydrating Cleanser. We highly recommend this product, so make sure you take a look at this insert when getting your package. And very important, we have an instructions booklet that we highly recommend you take a look at, because this contains very useful information on how to use the product properly. Apart from what I'm discussing in this video, you will see very important information on the different functions that this product is useful for. And inside the main package, you will see the device. You can see that it already has a probe attached to it. So that's one of the probes that we advertise as part of the entire package. It contains 4 probes. You can see one of them here, another one. This is the one with a small hole in the center, and here's the oval shaped one. Okay, information on how to use each of these probes is inside the instructions booklet. So as I said, make sure you take a look at it. Also, we have an image on Amazon.com and on our website that shows exactly what each of these probes does for you and what it is supposed to be used for. Then we have the USB cable, which is meant for charging the product, obviously. And here we have the bonus replacement parts. Sorry about that. Here are the bonus replacement parts, and you will see how to use this in a future video that I'm going to be recording for you. Alright, so this is what you get with your product. Of course, I don't want to end this video before mentioning that this product should be used only up to 2 times per week. If you have a sensitive skin, make sure you only use it once per week. And if you have normal skin, you can use it twice per week. But make sure that it is not on days in a row. Also, make sure that you don't go over the same face area more than 2 to 3 times, because you want to avoid red marks and skin inflammation. And of course, this product has a strong suction. So make sure that when using this product, you don't go over the same skin area for more than 2 or 3 times. That's very, very important. Another thing, keep the pore vacuum moving at all times at a relatively fast pace. You don't want it to stay on one spot, because it will make your skin red. I repeat, it will make your skin red and may cause inflammation if you leave it in one place or go too slow on your skin. So make sure that you go at a relatively fast pace when using this pore vacuum, to make sure that it does not leave red marks or cause inflammation or irritation. Also, very important, this pore vacuum is not for big blackheads, because they may be stubborn and you may go over the same skin area for a few times with no success. So make sure that you don't go over the same skin area more than 2 to 3 times, and do not use it for big stubborn blackheads. Alright, so this is it for the first video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to keep watching the video series because it contains very important information on how to use this product properly and how to avoid red marks, inflammation, and irritation on your skin.